In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam app configuration unavailable error in just 5 minutes. This pesky error can interrupt your gaming experience, but don't worry, in a few easy steps you can resolve it quickly. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's start by giving Steam a simple restart. Sometimes the app may just need a fresh start to clear out any temporary hiccups. Close your Steam application completely and then reopen it. See if the issue persists. A lot of minor glitches get resolved this way, so it's always a great first step. If a restart doesn't do the trick, our next move is to dive a bit deeper into the system files. Open your file explorer and navigate to this PC, and then click on your Windows C drive. This is your main drive where your system files are stored. From here you're going to locate a folder called Program Files with a x86 tag next to it. Once inside, look for the Steam folder and click into it. Inside the Steam folder you'll find another folder named App Cache. What we're interested in here is a file called appinfo.vdf. This particular file can sometimes become corrupted, leading to configuration issues. Go ahead and delete this file. Don't worry, Steam will regenerate a fresh version next time you run it. Once deleted, restart your Steam client and log in again. With Steam up and running, head over to the settings, click on Steam in the top left corner, and from the drop down menu select Settings. Within Settings, find the Downloads section. Here you'll notice an option labelled Clear Cache. Click on this. It's a straightforward way to get rid of any cached data that might be contributing to your issue. Now, if you've tried all these steps and you're still encountering the error, it might be time to consider reinstalling Steam. It's a bit of a last resort, but sometimes files can get corrupted beyond a simple fix, and a fresh installation might be necessary to resolve lingering issues. Finally, once you've reinstalled Steam, or if you're still troubleshooting, try running the application as an administrator. Right-click on the Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This can sometimes solve permission-related issues that might cause the error. And there you have it, just a few simple steps to resolve the Steam app configuration unavailable error. With these troubleshooting methods, you should be back to enjoying your gaming sessions without a hitch. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.